Yes, my dear friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are making you a very popular hamburger recipe. Wet Hamburger. First, we prepare our meatballs. We add salt, black pepper, and cumin to our minced meat. Then we knead it well. We adjust our meatballs according to the hamburger bun. Cook the meatballs well. Make the sauce with the meatball juice. Add ketchup, water, tomato paste, and spices, and mix well. Soak the hamburger buns well with the sauce. Our wet hamburger is ready. Put the meatballs between the bread and eat. There is no such flavor. Bon appetit! I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel.